Okay, Kate and Amar are planning to hold a party next April. There we have it. The date of the party does not matter to most people that they are going to invite. However, 6 of their special friends would not be able to be at the party on certain dates. And we've got to work out which dates they should choose for their party. Okay. Jim, who is away every Saturday and Sunday. So we don't want to have the party on those days. So that's every Saturday gone and every Sunday gone. Okay. Maya, who is away on the first 3 days and the last 4 days of each month. There's the first 3 days and the last 4 days of each month. Okay. Flavia, who cannot be there on any Wednesday. Okay, that's Wednesday's gone. Brendan, who is on holiday from the 16th of April to the 23rd of April. So there's the 16th, 17th to the 23rd. Erin, who is working away on the first 2 Thursdays and Fridays. So the first 2 Thursdays and Fridays. So there's the first Thursday, first Friday, second Thursday, second Friday. Robbie, who won't be able to make it the first Monday of the month. Well, the first Monday of the month is by here. Okay, write down all the possible dates that Kate and Amar could choose so that all 6 of their special friends would be able to attend the party. So they could choose the 8th, there. They could choose the 14th. They could choose the 15th. They could choose the 24th. And they could choose the 25th. Make sure that when you're given a question like this, you do use the calendar and you do cross the days off, else it'll be really tricky to do. Right. Having decided on a date, Kate and Amar send out invitations. In order to help them to prepare for the party, they make the following notes about the friends they've invited. Okay, so looking at this then, Kate has invited 10 females and 2 males, so altogether she's invited 12 people. Okay, Amar has invited 3 females and 5 males, so altogether he's invited 8 people. Going this way, 10 add 13, add 3 is 13. There are 13 females invited to the party altogether. Right, looking at the numbers, Amar says, over 50 of the people invited are your friends. Kate replies saying, over 50 of your invited friends are male. Explain clearly using the numbers shown whether they are both correct, both incorrect, or only one of them correct in what they say. So let's have a look at it then. Over 50% of the people invited are your friends. So this is what he said about Kate. Well, let's have a look. Kate has invited 12 friends. Kate has invited 12 out of 20, hasn't she? That's over half. That's over 50%, because 50% would be 10 out of the 20, wouldn't it? Okay. And then Kate replied, over 50% of your invited friends are males. So she's looking at Amar's friends only. She's saying over 50% are males. When we look, that's true as well, isn't it? So Amar has invited 5 out of the 8 people he's invited males, yeah? And that's over 50%, isn't it? Because that would be 4 out of 8 if it was 50%. So that means that both statements are true. Both statements are true.